In this video, we are looking at a tool called Screen Studio. It promises to make your screen recording look amazing automatically. Is this the secret to creating professional looking videos with almost no effort? Let's find out if it's really good as people say. So, what exactly is Screen Studio? It's a screen recording and editing app made for Mac computers. But wait, it's not just another screen recorder. This tool has a special kind of magic built inside. It takes your normal, boring screen recording and automatically makes it look beautiful and exciting. Imagine you finishing recording and the video already has smooth zooms and perfect motion. That's what Screen Studio does. It's designed for people who want to create high quality videos without being a professional video editor. You just press record, do your thing on the screen, and stop. The software does the hard work for making it look cinematic. It analyzes your mouse movements and clicks to add effects that keep your viewers engaged. This is a huge time saver for anyone creating tutorials, demos, or online courses. It turns a difficult task into something simple and fun. Now, for the best part, let's talk about the top features. First up is the automatic cinematic editing. This is the real star of the show. Tired of spending hours adding zoom effects to your videos? Screen Studio does it for you in seconds. The app is smart. It watches where you click your mouse. Then it automatically adds smooth zoom and pan motions to follow the action. This makes your video feel dynamic and professional, just like a movie. You don't need to learn complicated editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro. You don't have to add any keyframes yourself. The result is a clean, easy to follow video that looks like a pro made it. This one feature alone can save you so many hours of work. Next, let's talk about the cursor. Have you ever watched a screen recording where the mouse jumps all over the place? It can be very confusing for the viewer. Screen Studio fixes this with its smooth cursor feature. It makes your mouse pointer glide across the screen like it's floating on air. Every movement is graceful and easy to track. But that's not all. Every time you click, the app adds a beautiful little halo or animation. This shows your viewers exactly where you clicked. It makes your instructions incredibly clear. This is perfect for making tutorials or showing someone how to use a software. Your viewers will never be lost again. This small detail makes a huge difference. Finally, let's talk about making your videos look unique. Want your videos to stand out from all the others? Screen Studio has you covered with its styling options. You can instantly add a beautiful background to your recording. You can choose a solid color, a nice gradient, or even your own custom image. It also automatically adds rounded corners to your video windows. This gives it a very modern and clean look that people love. You can also add shadow to make your recording pop off the screen. It's like having a graphic designer help you with every video you make. You can customize the look to match your brand or style. This makes your content instantly recognizable and looks super polished. Now, before you get too excited, there is one big catch you need to know about. Screen Studio is an amazing tool, but it has one major disadvantage. It only works on Mac OS. That's right. If you have a Windows computer, you can't use it right now. This is a big deal because a lot of people use Windows PCs. It's a shame that they are missing out on this great software. The creators might make a Windows version in the future, but for now, it's a Mac-only club. So, if you're not an Apple user, this software is unfortunately not an option for you, which is the biggest downside. So, how much does this magic software cost? Well, the good news is you have two different options to choose from. This gives you more flexibility for your budget. First, there is a monthly plan for $29 each month. This subscription plan makes sure you always get the latest features and lifetime updates. Alternatively, you can choose the Pay Once option. This is a single payment of $229. With this plan, You own the app forever and get 1 full year of updates. You can simply pick the plan that is the best fit for you. So, who should buy Screen Studio? Is this tool actually right for you? It's perfect for content creators who make tutorials on YouTube. Your videos will look amazing and be super easy to follow. It's also great for marketers who need to create polished product demo videos very quickly. If you're a teacher or an online educator, this is a game changer. You can create engaging lessons that your students will love to watch. Customer support teams can also use it to create clear how to videos to help users. Basically, if you record your screen for any reason and want it to look professional without the hard work, this is for you. It's for people who want to save time and still produce top quality content. In conclusion, Screen Studio is an incredible tool for Mac users. It makes screen recording easy and the results look beautiful and professional. It saves a huge amount of time with its automatic editing features. The only major downside is that it's not available for Windows. If you're a Mac user who make videos, this is a must-have tool. If you enjoy this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. If you think Screen Studio is right for you, please consider using the link in the description below to buy it. Using our link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.